Hi, my name is Yerbolot. I'm behind of the camera.
And my name is Danyar.
And my name is Yelaman.
Today we're gonna speak about avalanches.
To be more exact, we will say about types of avalanche and how to survive.
So, what's avalanche? Avalanche is a rapid flow of snow down a slope. It can be set off by natural event, such as lots of fresh snowfall, or by human activities, such as people skiing off piste, walking or climbing.
Types of avalanche. Loose. They slide down the entire surface of the slope outside specific channels. This can occur with little warning. At any time in the season, speeds up to 300 km per hour, force up to 50 tons per meter quadrant.
Next type of avalanche is slab. The most commonly occurring type, often started by human error, speed up to 10 to 150 km an hour.
And the next type of avalanche is slush. Usually occurs later in the season. Movement speed rate from 8 to 25 km per hour. Also carry a considerable weight of snow, up to 1 million tons.
What causes avalanche? Avalanches are caused by layers of snow building up and gaining strength. Rapid temperature changes which cause the snow to melt or where rain falls onto the snow. When water under the snow builds up, it can cause an avalanche.
Occurring regions. The regions where avalanche occurs. Avalanche are commonly in mountainous areas of the world, especially in Arctic and temperate regions. Frequency is variable according to local climatic and topographic conditions. Example, Alps, Scandinavian countries, US and Canadian Rockies.
So after much. Avalanches can tear down trees, plants and ski lifts. Also, avalanches can kill people by trapping them under the snow. And the communications, power lines and the transport roads are also at risk. And the building and structures are at risk from impact pressures of up to 100 tons per meter square. And there is a link to the video which will describe
How to survive during the avalanche. We will put the link on the slide.
So thank you for attention.